I think I'm missing pieces. This thing is very cheap and weird. It tells you to put 4 poles across the bottom, even though it's only 2 actual hole inserts, which makes no sense. It doesn't make sense to me. Maybe I'm a little slow. If I can only put 2 poles for each hole, what do I need 4 for? And I have leftover sheets, 2 large, 2 small. The poles, yeah, the poles don't make sense either. I have 1 pole left, and I had 28 or 29 of these. This paper is telling me I have 36 plus 1 piece. Yeah, that's way more than what was actually in the box. Yeah, this was supposed to be used for a bookshelf, but now I'm trying to figure out if I want to return it because it just makes 0 sense. It makes no sense. This
is the bookshelf, the bookcase here. It holds these cubes. I have it holding all sorts of things, mainly my clothes. It is sturdy to a point. It certainly does not hold very much weight, so be careful on that. Over here on this side, I did bend. See, this one here is bent in the middle. It's made of aluminum, so be very wary with the aluminum. It does bend. It does really buckle under any weight that's just slightly too much. Also, if it's not exactly straight and on the floor, you know, in some way, or attached to the wall properly on both ends here, then it's not going to hold much of any weight at all, especially clothes even. So be careful with what you load on there.
So I got these and I did not set them all up, but I love it. I didn't put it to the wall yet. I don't think I am, but I like how you can set up how you want. Definitely read the instructions or just pay attention, because these are to connect and these are, you know, so that you don't have that look. And I ran out over there, so I'm kind of glad I got the look that I was going for as far as the stair step and like the little lounge, but definitely should have paid attention. I caught it right there, but yeah. I still have some more to put up if I want, but I like it. And these are separate.
And then back behind the basket, there's some that has water in it, bottled water. And then you can see my clothing bag on top there. It took me all of about an hour to put together. The main thing that I do want to point out is that there are 2 different sizes of the brackets. There is a skinny one that goes on the end,